What exactly separates birds and humans? Is it the distance from the sky to the ground? The space between an island and the shore? Or the space between decades and millennia? The relict gull was discovered and named in 1931. As it is the most recently discovered gull species, its name contains a continuation of a forgotten gull. The species has been classified as vulnerable since it was identified.
这个小鹦鹉长得生长状态还不错，看着挺壮实的，挺结实的。它头是白的，不像橙鸥，橙鸥现在头是应该是黑的。这是今年新繁殖的鼬。
Lake islands in desert and semi-desert areas are the bird's preferred habitats. The Kangba Nur in North China's Hebei province is an ecologically fragile and sensitive area, but it is also an important breeding place for the relict gulls. Professor Hong Jianming and his students are carefully inspecting the area's environmental restoration progress while observing and studying the species. Most gulls depend on fish as their main food, whereas relict gulls feed on aquatic insects and benthic animals found in the lake bed. Due to lake shrinkage and subsequent food shortages, life here is not easy for the relict gulls.
小盖拿来看它喝不喝哈？它可不喝，喝不喝？
地上还是？
不，搁它嘴上，嘴这就行。不喝，喝不喝？来，在这你看耳朵边上有点伤。行，它身体特别轻，每年它都会有些鼬啊，它因为吃不太饱，没有食物或者父母不喂它了，所以它可能就生长的比较慢啊。这个一会儿我们送到救护站去给它。
In the rescue station, there are some impatient relict gulls who are waiting to be released once they are healthy. There are also some birds, however, that don't make it, despite medical treatment.
行，这是怎么死的？我记一下死因、死亡日期，衰竭是吧？
这个是有点头外伤。
As humans know relatively little about relict gulls, some dead bodies are taken to research centers for the purpose of research to help improve protection and rescue efforts. In 2014, Hong Jianming and his team found that Kangba Nur is a breeding ground for relict gulls. Since the lake sits in a low-lying area where recycled water and rain easily gather, breeding land was in danger of being submerged. With the help of the local government, they filled in some land to raise the ground level. In 2016, Kangba Nur became the world's largest breeding site for relict gulls. But good times don't last long, as the place is shared by other migratory and resident birds, and competition for food and habitat space is fierce. In the following years, the carrying capacity of the area has fallen, and the population of the relict gull has also declined.
一方面是通过自然恢复，一方面的人工辅助呢，我们再种一些植物，这样的话呢，能够加快它这个植物系统的恢复，那么为这个动物呢提供更好的一个环境。你看，有了这些植物以后呢，它就会有更多的水生昆虫呢，上到这个植物上来呢进行羽化。那么在这个过程当中呢，也给鼬提供更多的食物。所以这个生态系统呢，咱们构建2年就能够初步见到一个很好的效果了。但是这里边呢，也有一些咱们不太希望出现的植物。你看，有一些刚毛藻、水绵，还有虎苔，看它对咱们种的植物呢有些干扰。那么这个咱们还要想办法给它清除出去。所以说，生态系统呢恢复呢，不光是你把它种下去就完了，还要加强它的管理、日常的维护，让它自个儿呢逐渐进入到一个良性循环。
With the help of artificial cultivation and soil seed bank technology, the vegetation here has gradually expanded, But this doesn't just attract relict gulls.
本来应该跟那边一样长得很高的，但都被羊给啃平了。回头得跟那个放牛的还得跟他们打个招呼，不能别牛啊是。
我管我的羊管不了那牛呀。
那牛是哪个村的？
Grazing and fishing in the wetland areas also affect ecosystem restoration. Educating villagers to care about and love birds is also part of Hong Jianming's work. The relict gulls are not the only ones who benefit from the restoration work. Other bird species also gain a better habitat. Gradually, villagers in the surrounding area have joined the protection team, and some other departments and researchers also come to help.
增加了一个这个伞形色的。
The distance between birds and humans is the distance between yourself and what you can see. Since relict gulls aren't really forgotten creatures, we still have today and the future to study and conserve this bird, as well as to restore and protect Mother Nature.